Think before you speak, a common proverb, which means you carefully examine the words you choose to say until you are very sure that it won't hurt someone. Hi everyone, I am Varinder Palkaur, Headmistress, Government High School Kandila, Block Kadia 2, District Gurdaspur. Dear students, today I am going to tell you how can we improve our speaking skills with an aim to develop the English communication skills among the students from class 6 to 12 in all the government schools. The Punjab Education Department has come up with a new initiative by launching EBCs, that is English Booster Clubs, in all the government schools of Punjab to enhance the speaking competency of the students. As per officials, English always has been the top priority for the parents while choosing the best schools for their wards. So students, we have to concentrate on 4 basic speaking skills to improve our speaking skills. And these are: number 1, fluency; number 2, vocabulary; number 3, grammar; and number 4, pronunciations. Now we will talk one by one about these 4 speaking skills. First of all, we will speak about fluency. What is fluency? Fluency means how comfortable and confident you are with the words you are speaking. Number 2, vocabulary. If you don't know the words you want to say, you cannot say it. So dear students, make use of dictionary in your daily routine and try to find out the meanings of new words daily at least 10 to 5 minutes. If you know more words, you will get more vocabulary and it will enhance your speaking skills too. You will speak more confidently. Number 3 is grammar. Grammar is very important because it enhances the accuracy. To improve, grammar includes a lot of areas for the spoken language, which includes the knowledge of tenses and the correct way to structure the sentences. So, grammar plays a very important role in speaking skills. We must follow the rules of grammar. There are 8 parts of speech, and especially the narration and the tenses. These topics are very important in writing and learning English. So we have to concentrate, we have thorough knowledge about the tenses. Then only we can format correct sentences. And now the last one is pronunciation. Like grammar and vocabulary, we pronounce by noticing and understanding the rules and the patterns which lies beneath the structure of speech. Pronunciation, rather correct pronunciation, is the key to mastering the English language. Without correct pronunciation, the vocabulary you know will be less effective while communicating. It is better to say, to know few words but pronounce them well, rather to have a lot of words but pronounce them badly. So dear students, if we will follow these 4 speaking skills, that is fluency, pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary, definitely we can improve our speaking skills. And after learning all this, speaking English will like a cup of tea for you. So it will remove all your hesitation and you will enjoy speaking English. I hope you have enjoyed my topic and will follow in your daily routine. Good luck. Bye. Take care.